Hey, what's up everybody? So we're gonna do a little bank fishing today. Try to catch a few bass. See what happens. Alright, so we're gonna try this little spot first. See if there's any bass up in this little shallow area. Gonna be throwing an orange spinnerbait, H&H. Y'all can see it's a nice foggy morning. There was pretty much cast after cast right here in this little spot with no luck. So I decided to move. Alright, this is the second spot. Gonna fish this pond right here. I've caught fish here in the past. The weatherman said it was supposed to be really breezy today and rain. There's hardly no wind, but it is foggy. So hopefully the fish are here. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, let's try this first little spot right here. I've caught a few bass here and there in this pond. I mean, they weren't big bass, but they do have fish here. It was pretty much the same result, just cast after cast with no bites. So I figured I'd just make my way around the whole entire pond. I mean, I gotta pick up something, hopefully. Grass right here. Hopefully they got something on the edge. There was still no luck, so I made my way back towards that back corner you see right back there. It's a nice shallow flat area with grass. Maybe they're in there bedding. This spot right here is where I've been most successful in this little pond. I'd make my way around this whole little point, just casting, but still no luck. Right here in this clip, I just make my way around this point, casting, fishing each side, point, deep water, along the bank, no luck. So this is going to be the end of the video. I got skunked today.